everyone, Mrs. Bradley here with today's phonics lesson. Now, today we're going to learn a new trigraph. That is one sound that is made up of 1, 2, 3 letters, all holding hands together to make one sound. And today the trigraph we're going to learn is yaw. Can you make that sound with me? Yaw. Let's do it 3 times. Yaw, yaw, yaw. Well done. Now let's take a look at some words that have the yaw sound in them. This is the word pure. P, yaw, pure. Can you sound it out? P, yaw, pure. Here I have a picture of some pure water. Let's sound it out one more time. P, yaw, pure. Cure. K, yaw, cure. Sound it out with me. K, yaw, cure. And one more time. K, yaw, cure. Well done. Picture. Are you ready? Let's sound it out. There's quite a lot of phonemes in this one. P, I, k, t, yaw. P, I, k, t, yaw. Picture, picture. Have a go again. Ready? P, I, k, t, yaw. Picture, picture. A good tip is to split a long word up into 2 sections to help you blend it more easily. Let's try with this word. Let's look at the blue letters first. V, a, u, t. Let's blend them. Vault. V, a, u, t. Vault. And then we can add on the yaw sound. Yaw. Put them together. Vault, yaw. Vulture, vulture. Let's have a go at writing the sound yaw together. And remember, it's an and e, all together holding hands to make this sound yaw. Let's have a go at writing it together. Let's write the for yaw. Down and under, up to the top and draw the puddle. And then the down the robot's back and curl over his arm. And the e. Remember that e looks a little bit like an egg. So we have another saying that we use to remember how to write it. We say, lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Well done. I've written a sentence using one of the yaw words that we learnt today. It says, I have the yaw cure. I have the cure. I have the cure. I wonder what yaw words you might be able to try writing. And as an extra challenge, I wonder if you could use them in a sentence. Good luck. Well done. You've done a great job in phonics today. I hope you enjoyed learning all about the yaw sound. I wonder what words you can remember or have a go at writing. See you next time. Bye.